Hello dear students and all of you, how are you? You will be fine. So we are come to the topic early, that is universe. As in before video, I have give the information about the universe, something brief introduction. So in this video we get detailed informations properly like that. As you know, you seen the wonderful universe, humans, animals and the plants so survive at the earth, shining stars, moon and the sun which provide the energy. Yes. So as you know, so on account of the scientific view, the total whole universe is created by one thing is matter and the another thing is energy. What is matter? Matter, the part or component of the universe, one component and the second component. First component is the mass based component which can occupy the space and which has mass, and the another second component of the universe is energy, which is, as you know very well, that is the massless component of the universe. So these are only energetic particles like that. As you know very well about the sun, which provide the energy, sunlight, it has no mass. So we are going to study about the matter only in the chemical science, that is matter. So you can define easily matter, the component of the universe or anything, any object which can occupy the space and which has mass. Now further, this matter at the physical level and the chemical level, it can be classified into two categories. That is, first is physical classification and second is the chemical classification. What is physical classification? Physical classification is the of the matter is that which classified so based on physical state of the matter at the ordinary temperature and pressure, like that. That is the matter exists in which state at this temperature. So first, as you know very well, first is solid, second is liquid, third is gas. As you know, solid, gold, stones, matters like that, they exist in this shape state. That is so metals, as you know, and gold, stones, etc., as you know very well. And the liquids which exist, as you know. So we will study in details in the further videos, next videos, next chapter classes, next chapters. So that is the liquid, as you know, which has definite volume, not the shape. So as you know, water easily very well, and the gaseous matters are so which has indefinite shape and indefinite volume, that is they has no definite volume, no definite shape at the ordinary temperature and pressure. You know very well. So this is the physical classification of the matter. Now we are going to chemical classification of the matter. So this classification can be categorized based on the kind of particles, and second will be classified as based on the number of phases, phases. So kind of particles, since you know very well, kind of particles, particle may be same or different. So first are the pure substances, pure matters. Second are the impure matters. They are also known as mixtures. So what are the pure matters? Pure matters, in which the kinds of particles only one, that is, they have only one kind of particles, so they are also known as the pure matter. Like that, element and compound, that is second. So second part of the classification. So pure matter is the which has one kind of the particles. Then further they may be classified into, one is element and second is compound. How can you differentiate the element and the compound? Element, the pure matter in which only one kind of atoms are present, so they known as elements. Like that O2, diamond, etc., 24 karat gold. So these are the element form. Further, elements are classified into based on their properties. So one are the metals, second are the non-metals, and the third are the metalloids. What are the metals? Which the element which has specific properties, they are also known as metallic properties, so they are called metals. Most of the elements out of these, so there is a total number of the elements discovered nowadays 118. So that is metals, mostly elements are the metals. And non-metals, there may be something controversy between the teachers, lecturers and the scientists. Generally non-metallic elements are the 17 elements out of the 118 elements. Okay. I will give detailed information in the next videos or next meetings. So non-metallic elements are the 17 and the metalloid elements are the generally 6. And so these are the element part of the pure matter. Second, what are the compounds? Compounds like that, as you know very well about water, and as you know very well glucose. So that is water and it is the glucose. As you know, we have required for survive in the as a living body, as you know, first solid. What is solid? Like that food. Food is existing solid. Generally solid foods we are taking about for the surviving. And the liquid, that is for drinking, water is necessary for our life. And the gases, so oxygen is very, very essential for survive. So that is solid, liquid, gases are essential for our life. So similarly, in this liquid, water is a compound of that is the pure form of the matter. Water. Glucose is the energetic matter which provide energy in our body. So glucose, what is the difference? That is the one example is the inorganic compound and second is the organic compound. So compound, how can you define? Just like water, you can see here, since water is produced or synthesized by hydrogen and oxygen during the chemical reactions, then water is produced like that. So you know, Water, so chemically water, so hydrogen and oxygen by mass, so 2 and 16. And second is glucose, that is C6H12O6. so carbon has number of atoms in respect, so 1:2, 2:1, ठीक है, and the composition, so 72 ratio 12 and the 96. So this is the, it will be in simplest ratio, generally. So we can say that number of carbon 6, number of hydrogen 12, number of oxygen will be 6 in one particle of the glucose. So we can define the compound easily, very simply. How can you define? So that is the pure matter in which 2 or more than 2, that is 2 element and the 3 elements. So the pure matter in which 2 and more than 2 elements are present in a definite proportion, definite ratio, definite ratio of the amount are known as the compounds. So they are the 2 examples. So for the inorganic compound, water, and the one is organic compound, that is glucose, is like that. Next, mixer. How can you define the mixer? The mixer is also a impure form of the matter, so that we can define the mixer like that. The impure matter in which 2 or more than 2 elements may be present, but they have no definite ratio to each other. So these are the mixers. Based on the composition based, like that, based on number of phases. So based on composition means this mixture may be homogeneous and or second will be heterogeneous. When the uniform composition is present in the container, that is in beaker or glass, that it will be homogeneous. If more than, or we can say that if chemical composition in whole container is not uniform, if the uniform composition is present, then homogeneous. If uniform composition is not present, then it is the heterogeneous mixtures. Generally, for example, all the true solutions we will study in next classes and chapters, like that: sugar water, salt water, etc., alloys, air. What is the air? Air is a mixture of different gases. So these are the homogeneous mixture. Similarly, heterogeneous mixtures, like that milk, as you know very well, like that fog, like that smog, like that smoke, like that spray, like that gemstones. जानते होंगे, मेरा मतलब था जेमस्टोन्स नग होते हैं, जो बड़े बड़े महंगे महंगे रत्न होते हैं, दो कलरफुल्स होते हैं टाइप के, वो मिक्सर्स होते हैं. बट किस टाइप के मिक्सर्स? हेट्रोजीनस टाइप मिक्सर्स. और दीस आर द होमोजीनस टाइप मिक्सर्स. एंड नाउ लास्ट, सो जनरली जो केमिकल क्लासिफिकेशन based on phase, that is number of phases. So similarly, like that, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Uniform composition, homogeneous or heterogeneous. If number of phases is 1 in whole, similarly in whole container, If number of phases is 1, then this matter is known as homogeneous in nature. And in the beaker or container, so that is 2 or more than 2 number of phases are present, then it is known as heterogeneous matter.